I was really interested in the River Phoenix Center for Peacebuilding, especially as I'm a peace educator and researcher of peace education. This model and approach of bringing people together across the community is, I think, an important and potentially powerful one. I'm especially interested in the idea of local peace learning systems, that educators who are in schools and universities and educators who are educating in their households and in informal contexts at the YMCA and even just folks who are in the community and in their interactions with other people, that we can work together and band together to learn from each other, to do the difficult work of peace building and to support people in constructively responding to conflict. Conflict is an inevitable part of life. Whether conflict becomes destructive or not has to do with how we handle it. And in point of fact, communities have developed all kinds of sophisticated mechanisms and processes and approaches to constructively handling conflict. That's why we don't have violence happening all the time. Violence, we still see it as an aberration or as a problem. So the River Phoenix Center for Peacebuilding is really interesting to me as a researcher and as a scholar, as I'm currently looking at local peace learning systems that bring together formal and informal educators and how they can work together to each support each other's work, enliven each other's work, share models, share strategies, and ultimately cross-pollinate ideas in a way in which an entire region or city is influenced by this kind of peace education movement at a local level. And I really see the beginnings and development of that here with some very strong peace builders, with the River Phoenix Center for Peacebuilding drawing people together across these different domains that want to be working more together. The center has also the possibility for being an ally to other cities and locales and towns that want to do this work. In fact, there's more and more interest around the work of peace building, and the River Phoenix Center for Peacebuilding can then share models and concrete practices that have worked in Gainesville with other people. Not that those exact programs will be implemented in other communities, but that they can learn from the successes and from the struggles of this work as it applies to doing local peace building.